Hey guys, welcome back to Saidi Reacts and thank you for subscribing, all of you, right? Hope you liked our previous reaction that was a diss from Helak to Krishna and DHS is going nasty, man. So we need to cross our fingers and watch what will happen. But today we are here to react on somebody for the first time, and that is Mufad, right? So he's a legendary hip hop artist, and we know that a lot of people have requested us to react. But I think we never got a chance to react on any of his song because we are fairly new to this reaction channels. But promise you that you will not be let down if you watch this, because today we are going to react on Maharaj. Dimple, do you want to add anything?
We are quite excited, people, because since, as you said, that we are reacting for the first time on Mufad, this is going to be really interesting and maybe hopefully energetic as well, right? I'm sure you must have already listened to the track, but we are going to see the female artist as well. Okay, so let's listen to her. Her name is Vandana. So let's check it out, guys. I don't know how this is going to be, and it's been produced by Inovura Entertainment, if I'm pronouncing it the right way, people.
Yeah, absolutely. And guys, we know Mufad and Krishna had a beef, and a lot of you guys wanted us to react on that, but we have not done it because we didn't want to dig out something that has happened in the past. But I think there is no harm in doing that if you guys are inclined towards that. So if you're new to the channel, do subscribe, and if you want us to react on the beef that has happened earlier, we would love to do that. Do comment down below.
This is the time we are sitting inside the house, and again lockdown, right?
Yeah.
Omicron, stuff like that. So it's really a headache, and it's so irritating as well to stay inside the house, right? So we reacting on these videos, and I think this is really going to be one entertainment factor for you guys to watch all. So if you all are watching our reactions even for the first time, and if you are liking it, please do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Okay?
Yeah, absolutely. With that, guys, let's get into the Mufad.
One and only, slowly, one and only, slowly, one and only. सबसे हटके हूँ मैं सुन के सारे बोले, चलूँ मैं slowly, the one and only. सबसे हटके हूँ मैं सुन के सारे बोले, सर पे ताज है बुलंद सी आवाज है, प्रजा मेरी है खुश पधारे बूफाड़.
Okay, guys, so I think it's basically talking about I'm slow, but I'll climb the stairs to reach where I have to be in the hip hop world. And I think that's the premise that is set now, and it looks very interesting, man. So let's watch.
Music is also interesting.
Yeah.
Slowly, one and only. सबसे हटके हूँ मैं सुन के सारे बोले, चलूँ मैं slowly, the one and only. सबसे हटके हूँ मैं सुन के सारे बोले, सर पे ताज है बुलंद सी आवाज है, प्रजा मेरी है खुश पधारे बूफाड़ महाराज है. वो नामकरण मेरा फिर से महाराज आज फिर बरसे, तलवार न बाण धनुष मेरे कंधे पे कर तू कलम सर कलम से धड़ से, मैं खिलाड़ी इन द वन खड़े, मुझे सुनने को कितनों के कान खड़े, मेरा फ्लो स्लो मो नहीं टाइम लेफ्ट एंड.
Okay, guys, so I think very beautiful reference here. So Main Khiladi in the Wankhede. Wankhede is the biggest stadium in India, in Mumbai, and we see a lot of IPL matches happening there. So he is referring, saying that one day I'll be there and there will be lot of fans to support him and watch him, right? So again, that shows the determination that he has in hip hop and a lot of accolades that he has got in hip hop. So brilliant statement. Let's watch it, guys, again.
सबसे हटके हूँ मैं सुन के सारे बोले, सर पे ताज है बुलंद सी आवाज है, प्रजा मेरी है खुश पधारे बूफाड़ महाराज है. वो नामकरण मेरा फिर से महाराज आज फिर बरसे, तलवार न बाण धनुष मेरे कंधे पे कर तू कलम सर कलम से धड़ से, मैं खिलाड़ी इन द वन खड़े, मुझे सुनने को कितनों के कान खड़े, मेरा फ्लो नहीं टाइम लेफ्ट एंड एक्सपीड सुन कान फटे, सब पे मैं चढ़ती लत है बढ़ती रख के बीट तेरे हाथों है मरती जब, कर मेरी आरती करती लग भूमि कत से फर्श अब अर्श तलक शर्त है लगा बैठक से, छीनूंगा सब कुछ मांगा जो तो हक से, नक्शे लकीरों हीरो के बदले इन हाथों से कर्मों से खोले हैं किस्मत के बक्से भाई आज बिना कुछ पिए भी मैं हाय मानसिक में इतना मानसिक के भाई मेरा रातों की नींदें उड़ाए चिंता फ्यूचर की तुमको सताए तुम रैप में बाप बनोगे कैसे कैसे मेरी स्किल्स में मिले आई फील्स जो बच्चों को पहले ही मार भगाए
Okay guys, so again a beautiful reference, right? तुम रैप में कैसे बनोगे मेरे से better because whoever are new, young and all, I have the pills given to them. So basically IPL is something to stop birth. So he's basically giving that reference, which is very very clever.
Yeah.
My goodness, beautiful, beautiful. Chalo.
मैं चढ़ती लत है बढ़ती रख बीट मेरे हाथों है मरती जब कर मेरी आरती करती लग भूमि कद से फर्श अब अर्श तलक कई शर्त है लग अब मेरी बैड लक से छीनूंगा सब कुछ मांगा जो तो हक से नक्शे लकीरों के बदले इन हाथों से कर्मों से खोले हैं किस्मत के बक्से भाई आज बिना कुछ पिए भी मैं हाय मानसिक में इतना मानसिक के भाई मेरा रातों की नींदें उड़ाए चिंता फ्यूचर की तुमको सताए तुम रैप में बाप बनोगे कैसे कैसे मेरी स्किल्स में मिले आई फील्स जो बच्चों को पहले ही मार भगाए
Shit man, तुम रैप में बाप बनोगे कैसे?
One and only, slowly, one and only. चलूं मैं slowly, the one and only. सबसे हटके हूँ मैं सुन के सारे बोले सर पे ताज है बुलंद सी आवाज है प्रजा मेरी है खुश पधारे मुंह फाड़ महाराज है इतिहास गवाह है पीछे नहीं खिली खाट कबड्डी और जीते भी महाराज है वो श्रीमान जो उंगली पे लौंडे नचाए लाइक श्री देवी और जितनों के खुजलियां होती उन सबको एक खुली चुनौती इन्हें गर्मी में बड़ी लगे आग और सर्दी में अपनी ही नुनियां छोटी गाने नहीं तक कलाम है ऐसे नहीं फैला ये नाम है सुना हो जो मुझे किसी ने भी ध्यान से तो फिर दोस्तों या अजनबी सबको सलाम है दुनिया भर की फेक बातें करते हैं देख जाके झूठे ये नस्ल है चोर की 100 बात की एक बात सब लोग नहीं देख पाते हो जो कामयाबी किसी और की गाने ना फेंको तो जनता ये एंग्री काटो उधम तभी मारूंगा एंट्री बेहतरीन काम मेरा नाम में क्या रखा है एग्जिट भी लूंगा तो वो भी लेजेंडरी
ब्यूटी ब्यूटी
के सारे बोले सर पे ताज है बुलंद सी आवाज है प्रजा मेरी है खुश पधारे मुंह फाड़ महाराज है
Mufar Maharaj, hey man, beautiful man. What a brilliant line, and the music is fantastic, man. So about the song, guys, watch till the end. But it's
Good, really nice.
yeah, it's amazing, man, amazing. That was Mufar, man. He was in a different zone, man. We loved it. The flow was great, and lyrics writing, man, amazing. Slowly, slowly, one and only, man. And that is our King Mufar, man. So I think the song was great, man. Even the hook was nice with the chorus coming from Bandana, right? So we will dance and all those kind of thing. It was really great. But overall I think it's basically telling that how Mufar has his fan, his praja who supports him to be the king. He's the Maharaj, he knows what he has to do, and how slowly he's climbing the ladders of hip hop, man. That was the song in a nutshell. We both loved it, man. It was a brilliant song. The flow was good, the bars that he did, amazing, right? So we know what Mufar is capable of and what he can deliver, and this was one of the songs that he did that. And apart from that, he also talked about his haters, right? So if somebody, not haters, but somebody who wants to put him down, if they rise, then he talked about something that will not let them grow young, right? So again, a clever lyrics writing. Thoroughly enjoyed what has happened, and we know it's difficult to catch everything in one shot, but we know the caliber that he has, right, Dimple?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yes, exactly. Overall, this music video, this track is really beautiful. Okay, reacting for the first time on Mufar and just enjoyed it. I'm sure you must have already listened to the track and enjoyed thoroughly, right? Like right now we are really into the song, into the track, into the lyrics, whatever he has written. The way he was spitting bars was spontaneous. The way it started, slowly, the one and only, right? So that itself says from the track Maharaj, right? And music by Dead Cure was really good. It was very catchy, you know. And as said in the intro, also mentioned down there in the description by Vandana, there was just a reverb kind of little bit of glimpse
Chorus,
of a
yeah.
voice there, right? So that
Naturally.
was completely something different, right? Yeah, it was good. Videography, somewhat, I mean, we couldn't see the people there, but then some fire stuff's going on with the lyrics flying all over. That was really catchy and really beautiful to watch.
Absolutely, guys. So I think it's basically the reincarnation of Maharaj, right? So I think that's what he talked in the lyrics as well. So people want him to get to the throne, and he's slowly climbing in, and we could remember Game of Thrones, right? So that throne was there, and with that Maharaj
Exactly, yeah.
cap on. So we understand, right? So he's also basically very clear about if people try to put him down, then he knows what to do, and he's the king of that. So Maharaj is there. So if you're a fan of Maharaj, you know what to do. Hit that red button, put that notification bell
And
on.
there was also one line where he said, Maharaj, he is the king and his voice is so powerful, right? So that's what he said as well. And that was a very
absolutely.
lovely line.
Yeah, and then
Taking
he
out
also,
some positivity about himself.
Absolutely.
That I
So
am
he-
this. Oh, it's good.
that's a good point, really good point, because he also told that if you listen to the flow in 10x speed, then you will not be able to listen because I'm so fast and so hard. Excellent, and that was the line of the day. So with that, guys, if somebody is new to the channel, do subscribe, do comment, hit that bell icon, and stay tuned and be ready to watch more reaction from both of us. Right, Dimple?
Yeah, people, if you are new here in Saidi's Reacts channel and watching for the first time, and if you did love our reaction, please do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel, okay? Yeah,
Bye-bye.
bye.